Hey guys, what's going on? So I had a request from a subscriber asking a little bit more detail about this new 0DTE SPX spread income service that Phil and Lance from ThetaTraders.com and I have kind of come together to do a joint venture on. And so what I thought I'd do is go through the exact trade today. So exactly how you could place it in your brokerage. He asked about that and what exactly the trade alert looks like. But before we get into that, let's look at the actual system right here. Basically, it has been a phenomenal system. 92% ROI in 2024. He's up 32% in 2025. It's a 91% win rate in 2024 and a 94% win rate in 2025. So he's been doing phenomenally well. The trades come out at 10:40 Eastern time. They have beaten the SPY and QQQ linearly and consistently. Phenomenal system. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. You can come and check out the different prices here. The best deal has been Lifetime. It's by far the cheapest when you look at the different prices. It comes out much better. You actually get a bonus one-on-one Zoom call with Lance from Theta Traders. So that being said, let's talk about the trade today. So I wanted to show you the trade, show you a real subscriber trade, and actually show you like how it works. So a lot of people don't, so like a lot of people, and I was one of them for a while, aren't that familiar with these credit spreads, but they're super easy when you know how to do them. Even I can do them sometimes. So I'll show you exactly what the deal is, right? So at 10:40, this is the alert inside the new 0DTE SPX trade in Discord. You can see that it's SPX bot. It's an app. It took a lot of time and effort to come up with this, but it means it's more of a smooth timed entry at 9:40. This is Central Time, so normally it would be 10:40 Eastern Time. And this is the alert you get. This is so simple. It's called a put credit spread alert. Sometimes it'll be a call credit spread, but in this case today, this is today's trade. Put credit spread alert at this time. Current prices of SPX, so we're just trading SPX, remember, and it's very simple. Sell put or buy put, well, both. So you do both simultaneously. So you buy the 55.95s and you sell the 5600s simultaneously for credit. And it's very easy. If you look at Thinkorswim right here, hopefully you can read this. I know Thinkorswim doesn't show up that well on YouTube videos, but basically you just go to SPX, you find your puts, which in this case the ratio is the 55.95s and 5600s, and you literally change one to sell, whichever one you're selling, in this case the 5600s, and you change one to buy, the 55.95s, and that was the alert, and you just hit confirm and send. And normally this number will say something like 80 cents. This is the premium you collect, so you'd collect $80 in this case, and I'll show you the real numbers from today's trade in just a second. And that's it. There's nothing fancy about this. It's very easy to do. You can do it separately, or you can do it as one order like this, depending on your brokerage account and your options. You do need level 2 options clearance for this, but that's very easy to get. Just tell your broker you've done it before. So yeah. So this is the trade, basically. So if we go back, the trade is just sell this put on SPX, buy this put simultaneously at 10:40 Eastern Time. If you're off by a little bit, it won't matter too much, and I'll show you on the chart why that is in just a second. But let's look at what actually happened today from my friend Lance. So Lance is trading these, and this is a screenshot he sent me. This isn't the best screenshot. He kind of showed where he got in and where he got out. I'll show you a better image on that on TradingView in just a minute. But he made $120 using $1,000 of capital, which is 12%. Some people did better. They did about 14%. That just depends on when you get in and when you get out a little bit. There's going to be some variance with all these services. There always is. He just did 2 contracts, so you could do a lot more. If you had a big account, you could do 20 contracts, 50 contracts, and took in about $80 per contract of premium. And that's where I was talking about on Thinkorswim. The premium that you would receive would come up here, and you would actually be able to see how much you were going to take in from selling these particular puts. So basically, that's the idea. And so he took in $80 per contract of premium, and he closed them when he decayed via theta decay down to $20. So he netted that $60 difference in profit. And he actually closed early. A lot of people did a bit better than this. So the simple math is easy. It's just 60 times 2 contracts means he made $120 using $1,000. of capital, which is 12%. But like I said, a lot of people actually got a little bit more than that. They got 14%. You can see on the chart here what I've done here, and hopefully you can see this. Again, TradingView is sometimes hard to see on YouTube videos. But what I've done here is this was 9:40ish, roughly this time here, when the alert that I showed you on the Discord, this alert right here, came out. Basically, it shows like right here, and you can see that basically with this type of credit spread, this put credit spread, you want the price to stay above these two lines. So these are the lines of the bought and sold put, right? The green is the bought put, the sold put is the red. These are the two strike prices, the 5,600 and the 55.95. And basically, as time goes on, the decay takes in and you start to make money and you start to make money. And if it goes in the opposite direction away from these lines, you're going to make money faster and with more certainty. And you can see that's what happened towards the end of the day here. Lance actually exited here. This is where he got his $80, or sorry, $60 per contract. And other people exited a bit later on and got the full premium from selling these spreads. So pretty simple concept. I mean, it's complicated in some ways, but simple in other ways. Very easy to do. And you can expect those alerts every day at 10:40. And that was that one. And they have a 94% chance of winning this year so far. And this was even on a difficult day with the FOMC, and it still worked out really, really, really well. So hopefully it's helpful. You get strategy guides. There's a general chat channel, and lots of people are starting to come in and enjoy the service. Hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully it sheds a bit of light on things for people that maybe don't fully understand what this service is all about. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.